All right, let's get straight to it. Yeah, we see you. You're organizing, planning, optimizing, everything except actually getting paid. In the next few minutes, you're going to get the diagnosis, the reason, and the fix. Okay, so this is the slap. You feel productive, but really, you're just a master procrastinator. James Clear said it best. Being in motion doesn't mean you're actually taking action. Think of it this way. Motion is planning the trip. Action is driving the car. You're stuck planning. All that perfect organizing, it's just a barrier to the one thing that actually matters, getting paid. All right, now for the hug. And look, this isn't your fault. Your brain is wired to protect you. Organizing feels safe. Making a sales call? Scary. Of course your brain picks the easy one. This is just emotional regulation. Your brain is trying to cope with the stress of those big, scary tasks. So let's get one thing straight. You aren't lazy. Your brain is just trying to manage fear. Okay, but does understanding all this actually make you money? Nope, not yet. So we need to relabel your tasks. Forget motion versus action. Let's make it simpler. From now on, this is the only question that matters for every single item on your to-do list. It's simple. You have tasks that make you money and tasks that just support the money making. Let's be real. Most of your motion is just this stuff, tasks that are way below your pay grade. Every single hour you spend on these tasks is an hour you could have been getting paid. Okay, here's the directive. A brutally simple audit you can do in like 60 seconds. You've probably heard of the Pareto principle, right? 80% of your results come from 20% of your effort. This means a tiny handful of things you do are bringing in almost all of your actual cash. This is the protocol. List your tasks, identify what pays, and eliminate one thing. That's it. No more excuses. And finally, this is the new rule. Your goal isn't perfection anymore. It is all about momentum. Your job is to capture ideas and act on them, not to build some perfect, pretty, unused archive. Stop trying to build a system for your best days. Build one that actually works on your worst days. All right, we're done here. Close this. Go do that one thing. Now.